Hey everyone, my name is Bapi Vinnakota. I lead the Open Domain Specific Architecture project in the OCP. It's a part of the server project. Uh, Very happy you're here. We reported a lot of progress at the summit. We had a full day's worth of sessions, almost a full day's. The ODSA tries to establish a chiplet marketplace, and so the idea is we do three kinds of activities: interface definition, doing reference projects, and defining workflows. And we had lots of progress to report on all three. This year has been a spectacular year for the ODSA. We released two specifications, and we're building, as far as we know, the first demonstrator that actually interconnects chiplets from two different companies into one package and demonstrates interoperability. We reported progress on that. And the third thing is, as far as we know, we also have, our group is the first to propose a mechanism to describe chiplets in XML. So we had progress on that as well. And finally, we had good sessions from other organizations we work with, like the IEEE HIR, the UCIe Consortium, and the Berkeley Labs in the Department of Energy. And finally, we closed off the day with a really good implementation session on the bunch of wires interface. We have about 10 companies that have publicly announced implementations of the bunch of wires interface, and then a few more that are doing it without announcing it. And we had two companies, D-Matrix and Blue Cheetah, talk about their implementations. A speaker from Microchip talking about what they would like to see in terms of data on implementation data and how the interface can be used. And a moderator from Marvell, who was involved in the early editions of the bunch of wires interface. Going forward in the next 3 months, we should do three exciting things. One is release the 1.1 version of the BOW interface. The second, for which we had a lot of demand, is to release a link layer that lets chiplets talk information with one another, not just bits, and a link layer specification from the ODSA, and a lot of progress on CDX as well. And finally, somewhere in the middle of next year, we should actually have, or early in the second quarter of next year, we should actually have a fully packaged chip on a bring-up board that integrates chiplets from two different vendors. So a lot of exciting stuff coming up.